Hello and welcome to Beanworks University. We recommend watching the Coding Invoices video first, and only watch this video if you're using our purchase order module to create and manage POs, or have purchase orders created in your ERP that are then synced and imported into Beanworks. In this lesson, we're going to cover how purchase orders and invoices work together to create a seamless workflow. During our overnight coding process, if there is a PO number on the invoice, our capture service will enter the PO number with the invoice. If there is a match to a fully approved PO in PO status, that match will happen automatically. If for some reason the PO number is not on the invoice, and that invoice goes through auto capture, you can still match the invoice to the PO manually. We'll show you how in this tutorial. If you choose to code the invoice yourself from the Create tab of Beanworks, you have the ability to enter the PO number and create the match while you're creating the invoice. To make an invoice match a purchase order, click into the PO field in the Invoice Details view and start typing in the number. A list of available POs for the vendor will appear, and the list will shorten when you enter numbers until you find the PO that applies to this invoice. Select the correct PO from the drop-down list. If you can't find your PO, press the Advanced Search to search other criteria for the PO beyond the vendor used as the default search criteria when you click into the PO field. Change which vendor you're looking for, or choose other criteria to further narrow down your results. Once you have selected your PO from the drop-down, or using the advanced search, a match will be made. Okay, let's move forward to when your side coding panel is completed. Once completed, save your invoice. Next, you can adopt the coding from the PO to the invoice to save you some time. To adopt the lines from a PO matched to an invoice, scroll down to the PO match area. Under Actions, click on Adopt PO Coding to see your options. Replacing the lines using PO totals will copy the PO lines exactly. If your invoice total is different than your PO total, then the invoice totals will be replaced by the totals in the lines in the PO. Replacing the lines using invoice totals is best used for single-line POs, where the PO coding will adopt, but the actual amount of the invoice remains the same. Using this adoption method on a multi-line PO will adjust each line from the PO proportionately so that the overall invoice total remains the same. The third option is used for partially coded invoices where you want to adopt the PO lines in addition to the invoice lines you've already created. We recommend trying all three adoption methods on an invoice to fully understand how each of them behaves. Once you have finished working with the invoice and you press Save, you can see the amount drawn from the matched PO. Once you have adopted the coding, if this PO is not needed for any other invoices, you can close it by clicking on Actions and then selecting Close Purchase Order. You can also close a purchase order from within the Details view of any purchase order in Purchase Order PO Status by clicking on the Action drop-down in the upper right corner. Remember that a purchase order can be used on multiple invoices, and you can even adopt multiple purchase orders onto one invoice. To do this, turn on the Display PO column on the Line Items table of an invoice. Then click into the PO number column on the Line Items table and search for the purchase order you want to match to. Select it and adopt the coding as needed, just like you did when you only needed to adopt one purchase order onto the invoice. Continue this process for each line of the invoice until you have matched the invoice to all of the purchase orders required. If you want to compare your invoices and purchase orders side by side, you can use the PO view in the upper right corner of the Details view. We recommend the split view so you can have both the PO and invoices comparing to one another. Once matched to a purchase order, the invoice and the purchase order will display an infinity symbol on the PO and invoice grid view. Clicking on that icon will show you what matches have been made. Okay, that completes our lesson on matching purchase orders to invoices. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please contact Beanworks support at support@beanworks.com.